In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Sales Report in Zoho Books. Start by opening Zoho Books and heading to your dashboard, the home screen where you'll see quick insights into your business. Once you're there, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click Reports. This opens the reporting area, neatly organized so you can get to what you need without digging around. In the Sales section, you'll see different report options. Choose the sales report type that best fits what you're trying to measure. For a broad overview of how your sales are performing over a period, the sales summary is a great choice. So we'll use that as our example. Go ahead and open the sales summary report. Before you run it, take a moment to make your adjustments. At the top, set your date range, like this month, last month, a quarter, or a custom range if you're analyzing a specific campaign or season. If you sell across regions, currencies, or channels, narrow things down using the available filters so the report reflects exactly what you want to see. You can also choose how to group the data by day, week, or month to match the level of detail you need. And if the report allows column selection, include the fields that matter to you most, such as invoice count, total sales before tax, total tax amount, and total sales with tax. These small tweaks make the output far more useful. When your settings look right, click Run Report. Give it a moment to generate. Once it loads, scan the totals and subtotals to confirm the numbers align with your expectations for the selected period. If something looks off, adjust the filters or date range and run it again until it's spot on. Now you're ready to download. Click Export. You'll typically be offered several file formats. Choose PDF if you want a clean, shareable snapshot, XLSX if you plan to analyze or pivot the data in a spreadsheet, or CSV if you need to import it into another system. Confirm your choice, and the file will begin downloading. If your browser asks for permission to save the file or to allow pop-ups, approve it so the export completes. It's a good idea to rename the file with the period included, something like Sales, Summary, Feb 2026, so it's easy to find later. That's it. You've opened the Reports area, selected the right sales report, tailored it to your needs, run it, and exported the results to your computer. Repeat the same flow anytime you need a fresh sales snapshot or a file to share with your team.